In this video, we want to troubleshoot having issues installing new apps on your Amazon Fire tablet, regardless of what version of tablet you have. So I want to show you a couple of easy fixes to where you can fix this. First thing I want you to do is go to Home, and what you're doing is you're going to go to Settings, which the settings looks like a little gear shift. And from there, what we're going to do is go to Apps and Notifications. And then from there, I want you to go way down here where it says Silk Browser. Click on that. And what I want you to do from there is click Force Stop. And that should be highlighted yellow. You click it, and what it's going to do, it's going to verify saying, hey, usually it's not necessary to do a force stop, but go ahead and click yes. Alright, and then let me know if you're able to install new apps after you force stop the Silk Amazon browser. Now after that, you might have an issue where you just got too much stuff on your tablet and there's just not enough storage for you to install new apps. So from there, what you need to do is just uninstall any unnecessary apps that you're not using any longer, whether that be Netflix or whatever. The bigger the app, the larger the space, the more space of course you'll have for new apps. So for example, I'll go down to Games, and then from Games it's going to show different browsers here. So for example, if I wanted to uninstall, let's say, Amazon Luna, what I would do is click the little three dots, and what's going to do is this says delete from cloud, but it'll just say delete from device, and we'll delete it. And you can also go under your Games and Apps tab, under your library, and you can find apps there that you're not using any longer, and then just delete them. And then that'll free up some space, and that should allow you to install more apps. Alright, if I helped you, let me know, and please subscribe.